Hello and welcome to this Calxa training video, Step 1, Connect for Xero. This video is the first in a series of 7 designed to help you get up and running with Calxa. In this video we'll demonstrate connecting Calxa Premier to your Xero cloud data. After installing and activating Calxa with either a trial or purchase serial number, you'll be prompted with this authentication or welcome window. Calxa Premier supports a number of database options, including SQL Server and cloud storage using the Windows Azure SQL platform. In this video, however, we will be covering a local database. It is important to ensure when using a local database that your data is stored on your local machine. For this reason, an SQL Server database should be considered if you plan to have multiple users, expect your data file to grow quite large, or require automated backups. For more information on SQL Server, please contact Calxa Customer Support. Click the Create Open button to create your first Calxa database. Browse to a location on your local disk and give the database a name. Then click Open. You should then be signed in automatically, but please note if you are connecting to an existing database and a password has been set, then you will not be signed in automatically. Instead, you'll be prompted at this point for your username and password. Calxa has recognized that the data source we are connected to does not have any organization data, and provides you with 3 options: create an organization, connect to another data source, and link to the Getting Started training videos you are currently watching. Since we've already chosen our data source on the previous screen, we will choose Create Organization. In this video, we are connecting to Xero, so select the Xero option. Then the first step in the Xero import wizard is to decide if you want to import your Xero budgets. Check the box if you'd like to import and then click Next. To authorize Calxa to access your Xero cloud data, you will need to click the Authorize button, which will redirect you to a Xero login page in your web browser. Log into Xero with your usual Xero credentials and then select the organization you want to import from this drop-down. Click Authorize and you'll be given an authorization code. Copy this and then go back to Calxa and paste to the authorization field. Click Finish and Calxa will run through a number of import steps to set up your chart of accounts, tracking categories, and all the actuals associated with these. When finished, your organization will then appear in this organization list. Essentially, we have taken a snapshot of your data as it appears now, so you'll periodically need to update your organization to obtain the latest actuals from Xero. To do this, at any time you can browse to the Organization Management tab by clicking the Organization Management button in the main ribbon and then clicking the Update button and following the previous steps to authorize Calxa again. Also in the Organization Management page you can edit the following details: the last month in your financial year, the last actuals period, which is the last full month of actual data, though both of these will be updated from Xero each time you update. The main budget version, which allows you to set the default budget version for reporting and editing, and you can set a bank overdraft for cash flow reporting, and also mark an organization as inactive if you no longer wish to work on that organization. So that brings us to the end of Step 1. Thanks for watching, and the next video in this series is Step 2, Enter Your Budgets. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact our friendly customer support team. You can phone them on 1-800-733-249 or email helpme@calxa.com. For sales inquiries, please call 1-800-733-149 or email tellmemore@calxa.com.